How to show YouTube search history. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to show YouTube search history. First of all, open up the YouTube application. Once you get into its app, you need to tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, you will see an option, Your Data in YouTube. Choose the option from here. It will take you to your Google account. Now scroll down in Your Data on YouTube. You will find all of your YouTube history right here. So from here, choose the Manage Your YouTube Search History option. And you can see your YouTube history right here. You can see the watched YouTube history from here. Also, check out our video on how to change YouTube username on PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.